Hey everybody, this is Travis, your manufactured home nerd. Today we're going to be looking at the Briarritz, and you're kind of probably looking at it and going, what the heck is he even showing us? Well, the home itself is not put together, so we won't be able to really see quite everything, but I got it a way to see quite most of it. And we'll be blessed that this customer, once we deliver it to their property, they're going to let us go tour it there as well. So we'll get to see a full tour later on. But we went a week without any new tour videos because of the Thanksgiving holiday. I wanted to come show this one here. I'm going to kind of back up. There's a truck on the other side. Otherwise, I'll show you a little more there. But it was rumbling kind of loud. This is your front porch. And that front section over there with all the plastic on it kind of looks funny because it's missing the master bedroom and master bathroom. And they didn't set the pieces in order. But you can kind of get a look at what it would look like, minus the roof being peaked like it normally would be. That's your fourth bedroom. But if you pull the Briarritz up online, you can see that there's an optional porch or just a little bump out there with an extra little kind of like study area. I'll show you what the master bedroom looks like. It's over here. I'm not sure if this microphone's picking up all the racket, but we got some homes going out today, so they're making kind of a loud noise. And that's your little front bump out that'll be on there. I did put a little picture for the the pre-look. It's gonna show kind of what the house looks like set up, so you'll get an idea of that, different colors and everything, but you see a lot of it. You got the board and bat siding. It's a fiber cement board, paintable. It's got a good look this way. You can also have it hung horizontally if you want, give it more of just the siding, normal siding look. I got the cedar plank shutters there as well. You can see your outlet for the exterior. On the back of the home here, you can see one in there as well. And a little faucet. A lot of tie downs on this house. Now, I believe these are Wind Zone 3 tie downs, but it is a Wind Zone 1 area this house is going, so we don't have to really worry about all that. But, just that extra stability that you get with going Wind Zone 3 is kind of a nice little factor. And y'all get to see our kind of dirty back area of our lot here. I apologize for that. Just see more of that siding. It's going to have a 712 pitch roof on it, which is beautiful. Y'all know Deer Valleys are heavy built. This house can be ordered as a manufactured, which means it's built to meet or exceed HUD code, and definitely would exceed the HUD code. Or they can be ordered as a modular, which means it's going to be built to your local site-built standards or better. And with Deer Valley, that or better is almost always the case. Now, we're not going to get to see much in this middle section here because a lot of materials in it, but I did go ahead and go inside earlier and put some lights so that we can see some of the darker parts of it. Now see, I got the front door open. They got the black windows here, and on the porch they didn't do the shutters. Real good look. And I love these posts on the porches. Solid posts. It's not faked out with 1x. It's an actual 6x6 or 8x8. I'm not sure the measurement. And good looking eaves as well. And walking in the front door here, this would be your living room. Kind of a foyer area too. It opens onto the living room there. You'll get to see what that looks like in the other section. And archways with the bullnose edging, painted sheetrock throughout. Also did crown molding, as you can see there. And this would, like I said, be part of your living room. And over here, I'm not going to quite be able to get to it, but over to the right there is your dining room. Good space there with large open windows. Look out on your porch. And through this hallway here, that goes to your master bedroom. And then this hallway here goes to your guest bedrooms. On the right here would be bedroom number 2, and further down would be bedroom number 3. Right here is your guest bathroom. As y'all can see, they chose to go with the quartz countertop. So you got the recessed undermount sinks, metal faucets. I really like the look of these. These are nice. And of course, the ceramic sink. And then you got the larger fiberglass tub shower combo with the standard shower head right there. And the quartz cabinet looks really good with those dark. Quartz countertop looks really good with the dark cabinets. Of course, they do soft close doors and drawers. And the drawers all pull fully out, so you can see that. But you can also see that it's not held together with staples. It's actual screws that hold it together. Gives you that longer life. Don't have to worry about the fronts coming off. And it PEX plumbing throughout. Shut-off valves there. They are solid wood cabinets as well. And there's your elongated toilet. Now, after this room, you got a little closet on the end of the hallway. Open that up real quick. And you can do wood shelves in there, but wire shelves do save you money. And the good thing is you have 2x4s set at 16-inch centers throughout the interior of this house. So each one of those racks is into a stud. And then this is going to be bedroom number 4. The other 2 bedrooms are very similar size. This is 9-foot ceilings in this house, which just makes it feel absolutely huge. It's a big room. That's a 4x8 or 4x9 foot sheet of sheetrock there. So that shows you how much room you have in here. And then over here you have a walk-in closet. That is a good size as well. You could even double hang the racks in there if you wanted. Now I'm gonna pause the film in here for just a second so I can go hop into the other side. Give me just a moment. All right, we are back outside. I'm gonna go show the back section of this house. I was thinking about cutting into the plastic to show y'all the master bedroom, but I think I'm gonna wait until the house is set up because we got some rain coming. And even though we can tape it up, I'd rather not do that. Now this is your utility room here. You can see that it is a huge space that they've designed. It's a little bit different than you normally see in the Briarritz. But because of what they wanted, I'm not sure if they wanted a craft room or something like that, you got a freezer plug there, large full-size breaker box, and then you have your AC. One of these is going to be a closet, and one of these is going to be a water heater, I'm guessing. This is a closet, so like a little pantry, linen closet, cabinets built in above your washer and dryer area, the recessed dryer vent spacing, and access panels to work on your water if you need to, and other things, whole home shut off. Nice little features. Guessing this is the water heater. So in this section, that would open up into that hallway. So earlier when I was in the hallway and I said that first one was going to be bedroom 2, I was incorrect. Bedroom 2 and 3 are on that side, and this would be opening into that hallway across from the guest bathroom. This is going to be your utility room. So we're going to go get into the living room. So in the living room section, kind of cut myself off a little bit here. When we walked in the front door, you saw that plastic right in the front. This is what the other side of that plastic would look like. Right there, that's parts of your roof trusses. Build out the roof when it's finally put together. But y'all can see that the living room here has 3 large windows, a wood-burning fireplace with shiplap accent, and a ceiling fan there. And it's a beautiful floor throughout. Stonework here on the hearth. Sorry, I'm out of breath from trying to crawl through that little hole there. And you see some of the venting that would be for your fireplace as well. This all opens into the kitchen right here. Shiplap accent, quartz countertops that are really beautiful. They did the stainless side-by-side refrigerator, a flat top stove, wall-mounted microwave, and another oven here. That quartz just looks simply amazing. Got a little minimal fossil backsplash throughout. Really good look. It's got the blue cabinets. Like I said, it is the soft close. The Euro vent hood. See, Ivy calls them slam proof, but obviously they're not slam proof. This is just one huge drawer right here. You could fit even your baking sheets in there. That's a huge drawer. It's as wide as the oven almost. Really nice look. I like the light fixtures above the island as well. And I didn't even notice the cabinets are blue framed with white shiplap on that island. So this is really great look. And that quartz really makes it pop as well. Let's frame it out a little bit more so you can see it. The tall ceilings, that would all be open to the living room as well. That's a huge span, so it's a huge living room. And then over here to the left would be that dining room area that we couldn't quite see, but once it's set up, you'll see how amazing it is. And then off the kitchen, you have the little pantry. And if you remember when I first started the video, I was talking about how you have like a little study area. It would end at that wall right there if you didn't do the fourth bedroom or the porch. But that's what's over here. You got like a little desk, pantry, and cabinets above, more storage. Now right here straight ahead is another full bathroom. It's in that middle section. We're not going to open it up. And then here you have the fourth bedroom, or you could do the porch. And this is another huge bedroom. So it's like a mother-in-law suite. Could be used for a study as well or an office, but it is large. There's enough space to put a king size bedroom in here, bedroom suite, as well as your nightstands, dresser, and TV on that wall, and just have plenty of room. I can't wait till we get to see this all put together and you see just how beautiful it really is. Large closet there as well. Something just going to be a beautiful house. The Briarritz is one of the most popular triple wide floor plans you can find out there. Mostly because it comes in a 3 and 4 bedroom variety, but also because it is customizable and it is Deer Valley, which is top-notch quality. This is one really heavy built house. And as you can see, they do really good with their cosmetics as well. Now you get to pick a whole slew of colors when you're designing. And sometimes you need help with that. Well, that's why we have people here that actually were interior designers. Our general manager is really good at picking colors. My wife says I'm not so great at it, but hey, I like to think I am. I like what I pick. But we also have people that can help you through the loan process, the design process, even with getting insurance. You know, it's a total management system here at Bolton Homes where we can help you make a plan for almost everything. And if we don't have it, that expertise, we know somebody who does that will gladly help us. And if you're interested in something like this, which is just huge triple wide, or just, you know, around 2,600 square feet, or just a simple single wide, everywhere in between we can help you. We can even go to quadruple wides if you want. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to answer questions and help people make the right plan. So if you have questions, call me, Travis, at Bolton Homes, 318-487-1819, or just comment on this video. Love to hear from you. Let me know what you think of the house. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.